Young bird coop is looking good. Some of the older birds are starting to cool. Whoop. Some of the aspars are starting to look good. That one in the corner is pretty nice. That one there is turning out pretty nice. I guess that white one's going to be a male, from what I understand, that light color. The Utatis are getting their color. Bunch of trumpeters. That's that blue velvet there. Got a nice head shape. It's got a nice collar. I got two more young blue velvets. There's a blondinette. I need males. A couple of, that's a Rahani I think there. And there's a Rahani starting to get his neck close. Portuguese. We got 3 of those so far. Arabian. Black Utati. Some nice blues are gonna get. They're starting to look good. Hard to tell when they're young. They look terrible. As they're out, they start looking better. He's a good trumpeter. He's just starting. There's a male there. He's going to be nice. Should be putting bands so I know which ones are males. I even got an egg here. Not my breeding. Plenty filthy in here. A little dun blondinette. Supposed to be moderns. They're a little skinny. I got that black there, and I got 3 or 4 more young ones coming up. Couple of young trumpeters, bars. Arabian trumpeter there, Arabian trumpeter. That's a neat colored Arabian trumpeter there. Those are nice males. Have some Arabian trumpeters to sell. Oh, he's nice. Came out of an asphalt pair. He's a red. And I'll show in the other video is I got another pair of babies from him, and it's the same thing. The male is, or one's a red and one is, oh, she's gonna trumpet. Another light and a dark out of that pair. I'm gonna have another red aspar chick. I don't know what you call it. I guess nothing, but I don't know. I like them. They look kind of neat. It's an ash red. Everything's good. That Portuguese hangs her wings. Not supposed to hang her wings. She got her wings down. Just feathering out, so that blondinette, he's big. The moderns are big, those blondinettes. The size of his chest, he's huge, looks like a turkey. black. It doesn't, not very good. I have a couple with the beaks are fairly long. This guy. Some of the guys fly them. They'd be nice flying birds. I think that's a pair. The red and the one that trumpets real good. I think they're paired up. They're old enough. I think that's who laid that egg, so that red and that white is a nice one. My understanding is if they come out white like that, they're probably a male. That's the aspar. His head's kind of pointy. It might get nicer. There's a really young aspar, that one there. That's that one I showed eating on his own. Portuguese hen, hurt her leg, had to rehab her. Her mate took another mate, so put her in here. That's one of my old breeding Portuguese. Her leg's fine, it worked out great, so I'm happy. Blonde in there. I think he's the older one. Supposed to be black lace, but they're not coming out lace, they come out solid. And he doesn't even have feathers on his legs. They're supposed to have grouse legs. Like that. I'm getting them without the feathered leg. He's got a little lace in his tail, that's it. I hope he's a male. I need males. There's a male to be. Looks like a homer. That one's terrible. This guy's ready to mate. That one's got quite a pointy beak. She's got a collar going on. The beak, it looks like a homer, that one too. Terrible. Can't all be winners, what are you going to do?